Say hi.
Ale.
Can you sign please? How do you say it? Please? There you go. Okay, how about milk? Do milk. Good job. Can you do thank you? Oh, you're running away. How do you do thank you? Do thank you. Do thank you.
Hockey.
How about diaper change? Diaper change, good job. And where are your eyes? Well, kind of. Where's your hair? There's your hair. What about more? Can you do more? How do you do more? Do more. Gavin, can you do more? Do please again. Please. How about night-night? Can you put your hand up? Go night-night. And can you do help? How do you do help? You don't want to dump those over, don't you? Can you do bye-bye? Do bye-bye.
Baba.
Can you do mama? Can you say mama? Where are you going? What? Oh, you wanted to play. You say thank you? Say thank you. You want to kiss? Okay, where's your nose? Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes?
Elmo loves you. Elmo would feel better if you hold Elmo's hand.
Can you show us your ears?
Elmo's got the sniffer. Elmo
Are
would
those
feel
right here?
better
Ears.
if you hold Elmo's hand.
Mouth. Oh yeah, where are your teeth? Can you show your teeth? Like, point to your teeth. Where's your mouth? Mouth.
Elmo loves
Is that your teeth?
Elmo's got the sniffer.
Okay, say bye-bye again.
Elmo loves
Bye-bye.
Elmo would feel better if you hold Elmo's hand.
Bye-bye.